The Ramsar Convention, also known as the Convention on Wetlands, is an international agreement that encourages countries to protect and use wetlands wisely. It is the only global treaty focused on one specific type of ecosystem, wetlands. This treaty provides a framework for countries to conserve wetlands and manage their resources responsibly. The convention was adopted in the Iranian city of Ramsar in 1971 and came into force in 1975. Since then, nearly 90% of United Nations member countries from all around the world have joined as contracting parties. The Ramsar Convention's goal is to protect and wisely use wetlands through local, national, and international efforts. This helps contribute to sustainable development worldwide. Wetlands are some of the most diverse and productive ecosystems. They provide important services like supplying all our fresh water. However, many wetlands are being damaged and changed for other uses. The Ramsar Convention has a broad definition of wetlands, including not just lakes and rivers, but also underground water sources, swamps, marshes, wet grasslands, peatlands, oases, deltas, estuaries, tidal flats, mangroves, coral reefs, and even human-made sites like fish ponds, rice paddies, reservoirs, and salt pans. The convention has three main goals called the three pillars. Contracting parties agree to use all their wetlands wisely, select important wetlands for the Ramsar list of wetlands of international importance and manage them properly, work together with other countries on wetlands that cross borders or are shared and on shared species. Ramsar sites are designated by the National Administrative Authority in each country, which is the organization responsible for implementing the Ramsar Convention there. To be designated as a Ramsar site, a wetland must meet specific technical criteria set by the convention, such as being important for biodiversity, supporting rare species, or playing a key role in the ecosystem. Once a wetland meets these criteria, the National Administrative Authority evaluates its overall importance and submits it for consideration. If everything is in order, the wetland is officially designated as a Ramsar site and is added to the list of wetlands of international importance. The Ramsar Convention is working to stop, prevent, and reverse the loss and damage of wetlands. It does this by partnering with countries, contracting parties, other organizations, and international organization partners, IOPs. Together, they focus on promoting policies and land use plans that consider wetland protection, raising public awareness about the benefits and services wetlands provide, such as clean water and biodiversity, attracting investments to spread awareness by working with private companies like Danone Avian and Star Alliance, building partnerships between the private and public sectors to reverse wetland loss and damage, developing funding to support wetland conservation and management efforts.